Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Janice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be demonstrating on how to make Asian pear and orange smoothies. These smoothies are really simple to make. They're so delicious and I will show you how to get that started. Okay, to make this Asian pear and orange smoothie, it will consist of having Asian pears, 1 orange, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, before you get the smoothie going, you would have to wash the Asian pears first, and once they're washed, then you have to peel the Asian pears completely, and then the next step to do is, that I will do, is you take out the core from the Asian pear because you don't want to have that core into the blender. So I will just go ahead and remove all the core and the seeds from the center of the pear. And Asian pears are a little different than the regular Bosc pears and all those green pears that they have at the stores. These Asian pears are so delicious. They're really crispy and they just taste so good. And I like these more than the regular pears. And you can make a lot of things with Asian pears, like smoothies. You can make Asian pear juice. You can do any kind of stuff like that. And these Asian with an orange smoothie drink, they're so good. Actually, like you can have these for breakfast in the morning. You can have it for a little snack, or you can have it just to have it for, for something that you want to drink. And it's really refreshing and it's really satisfying. Okay, so now I have all the Asian pears removed, all the core is all removed, the seeds are removed. And now I will get my orange, and I already went ahead and I washed my orange and I peeled it. So now I would just start dicing the orange into pieces. And then if they have seeds in them, then I just go ahead and I just remove them. And for this recipe, you only need 1 medium to small orange. That's all you need. And the reason why I put an orange into my smoothie is to give it that little sweetness in it, a little tangy. And this smoothie has a lot of vitamins, and they say it's really good for you. Okay, so I have all my orange pieces cut up, and then the next step is to dice my Asian pears, and we'll do that first before we proceed. Okay, I am back and I went ahead and I already diced my Asian pears in small pieces, And then I already have my oranges all diced up as well, and we are ready to proceed in making the smoothie. Now, I would have to use a blender in order to make this smoothie. So I will go ahead and start getting all my ingredients into my blender. Okay, so the first thing that I will do is I will pour in to my blender a 1/4 cup of milk. Then the next thing I will do is I will put my oranges into the blender, and then I will put the diced Asian pears in there as well. Okay, and normally since there's a lot of Asian pears that I cut up, we will put some of it into the blender first, and then we'll put the rest into it afterwards once the mixture is already mixed in, and then I will use a spoon to stir it up so it gets all the apples, the Asian pears and the oranges all mixed in pretty well. So then the next thing I would pour in are the sugar, the 1/4 cup of sugar. And then I will start mixing in the mixture here. Okay, as you can see, it's already starting to form like a smoothie. So then I will put the remainder of my Asian pears into my blender. And then I will do the last mixture. Okay, and now I'm ready to mix it all up again. Okay, now the smoothie is all ready to be served, and I will pour them into these glasses. Boy, this drink looks so refreshing, really tasty, and I'm sure you will love this recipe. Okay, there it is. Doesn't that look so good? Okay, now you can have it at any time during the day for breakfast, for lunch, or for a snack. And thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to click and watch all my other videos. I have so many videos that I posted. They're so interesting, they're awesome. They have great recipes that I know everyone will enjoy. And I also have some crocheting things that I also made that would be great for the house. And if you would like me to make some more recipes, please leave me a comment below. Just don't forget. And I will see you next time, and I hope everyone's doing fine. See you later. Bye.